So we're right in our boundary in Red Crow Park in Standoff, Alberta, on the Blood Reserve. First Nations people manage these landscapes since they've been here time immemorial, and our ecosystems are out of whack and they need help. The lack of trees creates erosion, and a lot of our riparian area species are culturally significant. The Blackfoot way of life really depends on those species. We just finished planting thousands of trees. We're also planting a food forest for community members that don't have access to fresh produce. Community has come together to help regenerate our ecosystems. And then it's also healing.
I'm just filled with gratitude to be able to be a part of this. It's essential to our spirit to be able to connect to our cultural ways and our traditional lands.
TELUS has provided the support. They provided the plants. The TELUS reps, they've been very understanding in incorporating Blackfoot ecological knowledge. So this project with TELUS, it's building capacity, it's healing people, and it's healing the landscape, and it's creating connection.